Right now I have no product on my eyebrows, but I feel like eyebrows can either make or break your makeup look. So I'm going to show you a simple and easy way on how to do your eyebrows. I'm going to be using this LA Girl brow pencil in the shade brown. And what I'm going to do is get the spoolie in and just fix my eyebrows on how I want them to be shaped. So just brush all the hairs in the right place. So simple and easy, the first step. And then now I'm just going to get the colored in, and I'm going to start at the very beginning of my eyebrow and just draw a line at the very bottom of my eyebrow. And then I'm going to go in the middle section at the very top of my eyebrows and draw another line to fill in the shape. And then now from this middle section down, I'm going to just fill that in. Just fill in if you need to fix any hairs that have gone out of place. Do so. So I'm mainly just focusing on this middle section downwards just because I want that section really dark, because I just don't want really dark eyebrows and it to stick out. I sort of want it to fade. So now that that section is done, I'm just going to be using this Benefit Brow Gel in the shade number 3. And this is just like a little brow gel. So I'm going to now start at the beginning section of my eyebrow and just fill it in like that, so it's not too harsh. I'm actually going to get this spoolie in again to fix my eyebrows. So it just blends in really well, and I feel like it's not too dark and it matches my skin tone in with my hair. So that's one eyebrow done, and just see the difference of having your eyebrows done. So I'm going to do this other section real quick. And see, simple and easy, and I feel like now my makeup look is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to get the perfect eyebrow, simple and easy. If you did, please give me a thumbs up on this video. Until next time, bye guys.